Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita. Let's make popcorn bhel. Popcorn chart. Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference and let's get started. Take a clean mixing bowl and add finely chopped onions, tomatoes, grated carrots, and finely chopped coriander leaves. Adding green chilies is optional. You can add it or skip it up. Add turmeric powder, chaat masala powder, red chili powder and salt. And mix well. Add about a teaspoon of lime juice. Mix it well. And add popcorn. You can either add the ready-made ones or make it yourself. I have a detailed video in my channel on how to make homemade popcorn. Click the I card to watch the video. Add popcorn and some save and your popcorn chaat is ready. Serve this chatpata chaat immediately. I hope you found this recipe useful and you will try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. All of your suggestions, queries and requests are welcome in the comment section below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.